Welcome to this brief overview of how members of community practice that can join a wiki-based website in order to communicate with each other. This particular video is part of a series, and in this particular video or web tour, what we're going to be looking at is why and how you can join a community of practice and join the wiki community that's being displayed on your screen right now. I'm Doug McCall. I'm Executive Director of the Canadian Association for School Health, and this is one of the toolboxes that we use for our communities of practice, and this is the Nutrition and Healthy Eating Community Practice. In order to explain the benefits and the controls that are given to you when you join a community practice using the tool like this, we're going to walk through this very quickly. If you look over on the right-hand side, there's a Join Now button that you simply click on and follow the instructions in order to be able to join this or other communities of practice like this. However, I'm already a member, and so I'm going to click on the Sign In button, type in my username and my password, and then sign in. By signing in, I have more control over the different things that go on in this wiki, including being able to edit and move pages around, remove things from the wiki, or do other things that have been prescribed to me or are ascribed to me by virtue of the fact that I'm an administrator of this particular wiki. One of the things about these wikis is that they give different powers of participation to administrators, which can basically do all of the things that are possible in this website, or moderators, which have more limited powers, or simply participants. And you, as an administrator of a wiki website like this, can control those different levels of participation. As well, you can open up the wiki to wide open. In other words, anybody can see it and participate in it, at least in terms of adding comments or editing pages, by not having to create a profile. Other wikis require that you join the website and create a profile in order to participate, and therefore your comments and suggestions and changes are not necessarily anonymous in nature. And the last level of participation, the more private one, is a closed wiki-based website in which you have to be invited to join. What I'm looking at today is the different members, and if you look at the members in this particular wiki, you can see that we have 54 members who have joined this particular wiki-based community. This is about half, or about 40% of the membership of the community of practice. We have about 125 members in this particular community of practice, and gradually more and more of them are signing up and using the communications within the wiki to be able to participate. If you look at the screen on us now, you have the capacity, once you've signed up, to invite others, and that's basically clicking on that and then inviting people through the email screen that comes up. But I also want to encourage you to think about creating a profile for yourself, which then allows you, as a member of the community of practice, to be able to control the kinds of communications that go on within this wiki for you. If you look across the top of this screen, you can control the number of friends, in other words, people that you've identified more closely within this wiki or this community of practice. You can send messages to and from people within the wiki. Those messages can either appear in your regular email box or not, depending upon how you choose. You can be friendly and send compliments. We tend not to use that, and we're not as informal as some of the other social networking sites. This is a professional networking site. In this particular button, you can look at what pages you're watching, and as you can see down here, you can look at the different pages and choose to receive emails when it's been updated, or you can remove it from your watch list. As well, the profile keeps track of the different contributions you've made to this website. Since I'm the administrator of this website, you can see that I've made a lot of them, and they're tracked chronologically on this page. But if you go back to the profile, there's one other important aspect that you can use, a couple of important aspects that you can use to control the communications within the website. The first one is the notifications that you receive from this website as part of the community of practice. As you can see, I've checked off most of these boxes because I'm an administrator of the website and I want to know who's doing what as quickly as I can so I can respond to it if needed. You can choose to receive none of these items, and in fact this click down here you can choose to not receive any emails from the school health from this particular wiki-based community at all, and so that allows you to simply keep all of your communications in this website rather than having them show up in your regular email box. As well, this by clicking on the preferences you can not have or choose to have other members of the website see the edits that you are making, or for your name to appear in the site members report or the new member miss and so on. In other words, you have total control over the messages in this particular wiki-based community by using these tools. That's the total presentation for this particular aspect. Please take a look at it, and if you have any questions, please send me an email to dmccall@cash-aces.ca. Thanks very much.